is the mode of the dataset? 1, 2, 2, 3, 4, 4, 4, 5. Is it A, B, C, or D? Okay. Okay, so 'di ba meron tayong tatlo doon sa ating stats, no? Yung tinatawag natin mean, median, at saka mode. Okay? So let's discuss muna yung tinatawag natin na mean. Yung mean is yun yung average, 'di ba? Yun yung average ng dataset. So paano ba yun natin ginagawa? Bale, para makuha natin yung mean ng dataset na to, for example, this set, no, ng this dataset, i-add lang natin yon. 1 plus 2, lahat ng numbers, plus 2, plus 3, plus 4, plus 4, plus 4, plus 5. And then, yung sum nila, i-divide natin doon sa number of elements na meron doon sa dataset. So, meron tayong 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So, meron tayong 8 na elements. So, yun yung i-divide natin. So, you have there 8. Okay? Now, let's add 1 plus 2, 3. Then you have 5, 8, 12, 16, 20, at saka 25. Tama? So, you have there 25 divided by 8. Yung sagot, no, yun yung mean natin. Kasi ito ay mayroong decimal, sige, yun yung magiging sagot natin doon sa mean. Pero yun yung tinatawag natin mean. Pero yung focus na naman natin dito is mode. Okay? Now, you have there the median. Ano naman yung tinatawag nating median? Yung median, yung makikita mong pinakagitna na number doon sa isang dataset na naka-descending order or ascending order. Okay? So you have there, okay, seems na ito, naka-arrange naman to from least to greatest. Ano yung sa gitna nila? 'Di ba? Meron tayong 8 numbers. So, ito yung sa gitna. So, ito yung sa gilid. Gilid to. So, ibig sabihin, ito yung sa gitna, which is yung 3 at saka 4. Para makuha mo yung median, i-add mo yung 3 plus 4. So, magiging 7. Then, divide mo by 2 para yung sagot is 3.5. So, ibig sabihin, yung median ng dataset na to is yung is is 3.5. Okay? Now, dito na tayo doon sa tinatawag nating mode. Yung mode naman, yan yung pinaka-frequent na nag-a-appear sa isang dataset. Okay, kung makikita nyo, ano yung mga number na may most frequent appearance doon sa dataset? Is it 2 or is it 4? Tama, the correct answer is 4 kasi ano siya, tatlong beses umappear yung 4. So therefore, ang mode ng dataset na to is 4. Ito yung sagot. Tama? Okay, take note nyo rin yung kinds of mode. Meron tayong tinatawag na unimodal, bimodal, at saka trimodal. Ano ba yung trimodal at merong multimodal? Yung unimodal, ito is an example of unimodal kasi isa lang yung mode nila, 'di ba? Which is 4. Yung bimodal, kapag meron ng halimbawa 2, 2, 2, 3, 3, 3, at saka 5, halimbawa. So this is an example of bimodal kasi yung mode is dalawa, 2 at saka 3. Pareho silang tag-tatlo. Okay? Ganun din yung case sa trimodal. It's just that 3 sila, tatlo sila. At yung multimodal naman is more than 3 yung mode. Kaya that is tinatawag nating multimodal. Okay, so if you have any question regarding this one, just leave a comment in the comment section.